Good afternoon guys, it's Jenny here from Just Jenny Journaling. Welcome back to my channel. Today is the second unboxing I'm going to do. I've just received my January Vintage Ephemera Box from our atelier, and I did the an unboxing of the December one, and I just thought I'd share the January with you. So it's quite exciting. I love it. I love it. Love it. Before I do that though, I wanted to say a quick hello to our new subscribers. I can't remember if I've said hello to Christy Martinez in my last video. I'm not sure, but anyway, hello again if I hadn't. To Kristen Beach, welcome on to welcome aboard. Sharon Waite, Andrea Muller, Manu M, Jay Hart, and Norma Crespin. Thank you guys for subscribing and joining this fabulous journey. So yeah, this is how the January box comes, with your little name tag. How gorgeous is that? Little name tag on there. And I will open it. So it has her little wax seal on the front. And remember rightly, there you go. So here we have our goodies for January. I wonder if I should, let's see, let's get my little book out and see. Oh, perhaps I was going to see about. So first and foremost, what have we here? What have we here? Is this one of our stamps? It's all so beautifully wrapped. So beautifully wrapped. And what I'll do, I will pop her Instagram link account below. Sorry about the grotty plaster, that's not good timing, was it? So you can actually just order, well, she does all sorts of ephemera really, but you can order 2 or 3 months in advance and subscribe. So that's that. It's like a ticket. It's like a ticket. Like some sort of drawing, technical drawing type thing. Stamp. Love that. Love that. Love that. Love that. This one. So what you can do is order just the one box at a time if you like, or put oh, this is cute, isn't it, for January? A little wooden stamp there. I don't know if that's focusing. Love that. Love that. So you get a couple of stamps, and now we have our washes. What washes have we got? Look quite. Oh, I love it. Look quite industrial to go with this. Don't they? Do it for you. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. What I need to do really, well, I'll show you that for now. Can you see how that looks? Is, oh, I love it. Love it. Is have a little play. We need to have a little play with these. So this is like a, and on her, if you subscribe to the Instagram, you get a preview. She does a little preview every month of the following month's box. So zebra, antelope. So that's the washi on there. So we've got some stickers here. We have some stickers in this beautiful little envelope. What shall I put them against? Shall I pop them against the inside of this? Let's have a look. Will that help or not? No, it doesn't help. Okay, let's pop them onto here. Okay, making coffee. These are all beverages. I don't know if you can see that. So we've got, we have coffee. Oh, fabulous. These little cards. Okay. I'm thinking about doing a coffee themed, what's its name? Traveller's notebook. As I've got that fabulous fabric. That could be quite nice in there. So now in here we have, oh, fabulous. Fabulous, fabulous, fabulous for your day book, because, you know, I haven't had a chance to really decorate my day book for January yet. I might have to skip it. I've started to use it, just go for February. So, there you go. Inspiration, the most important things in the world. So it's a little book of stickers, like post-it stickers. So you've got some post-it stickers there. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. And then some postcards. So this is a lady. She looks Spanish, Maria Com. Can't see really well behind here, behind the camera, but you get the gist anyway. So it's this one. And I think this is a... These are stickers. Yeah, actual sticker transport. These are Alice in Wonderland themed, if you can see. Okay. Love these. Post-its. In fact, I think I do have some post-its like this. So airmail type things. Oh, how gorgeous for February. Well, that is going to into my day book. Definitely going to my day book. And I've seen the preview of March already, so there you go. That's February. And I think there's a January in here as well. January. Gorgeous. Okay. And then, so we have more stickers and bits and bobs in this one. Hope I'm still in frame. I'm still in frame. Right, guys, there you go. I should pop them on there, shouldn't I? Will that make a difference? I'll think this through next time. So these are like transfer stickers, or anyway. So these again are quite industrial, aren't they? Quite industrial, steampunk type. They're lovely. Oh, so you've got them in the blue and the red, and they've got a little bit of a sheen to them. And then a selection, you've got the airmail, butterfly, very steampunk, isn't it? Love it, love it, love it, love it. I hope that is focusing for you guys. Great, 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 great. And botanicals. Botanicals, I don't know if that would be better on here. Let's have a look on the back of that. Will that show a bit better? It does a little, doesn't it? There you go. It's just on the inside of my little... And the feathers. Let's have a look at that. Keep them in frame. Volkswagen, I love those. I love Volkswagen. Little bucket, maybe coffee. Oh, I love that. I love that. That is going to be put aside for my coffee journal. Butterflies, feathers, selection of butterflies and feathers, and birds. Okay. Quite a few of the feathers and little steampunk stickers. Right, so that's those. And then finally we have, and I've been really looking forward to getting these because I've wanted these kind of vintage writing set stamps for ages. Absolutely gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. So I love that a lot. You see that as a stamp? And is this like a mortarboard hat, I think, and like a postmark. Love this. Love, 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 love. A little ink nib. This looks like a spatter of ink, do you think it will be? And obviously this is like a, oh, you know, not label, surround type thing. Because I've got a journal that I've started a little while ago. Well, I've done the cover, haven't done anything with it yet. But this one here, this Edwardian Lady one, I need to finish. And this was a sort of thing that I wanted to stamp in it. So that's it, guys. I might, I should really try to start my day book February maybe now. And we'll play with some of these. It's just been, January's been absolutely hectic. So that's it, guys. I'll pop the link below. I think you've got to the 28th of the month to order your, if you want to order one, a box for the month after. Or you can do 2 or 3 months at a time and just do it that way. And she has lots of just sort of ephemera, just generally, I think washi and everything else that I need to, and wax seals, things that I need to really have a good look at. So that's the Art Atelier box for January. I hope you've enjoyed it, the share. I hope it's come out okay. That's it, guys. Take care. I'll be back probably in a few days with working on the beginning of Becky's book, her nature type gratitude journal. I'm preparing just tea dyeing papers and things for that at the moment, but I want to try something very different on the cover, and I might just switch on the camera to share that with you guys. So that's it. Take care. And so for those of you who haven't, this is the first time you've actually come across one of my random videos. If you've liked, please do like and subscribe to follow us on our journey. That would be fab. If you don't like, then just don't. That's simple. And that's it. I'll see you soon. Take care, guys. Bye. Bye. Bye.